Recommended maintenance schedule. Regular maintenance is crucial for ensuring that your lash extensions stay beautiful, healthy, and long-lasting. In this tutorial, we will provide you with a detailed guide on the recommended maintenance schedule for lash extensions. This tutorial falls under the broader topic of maintenance and aftercare for lash extensions. 1. Cleansing your lashes. Properly cleansing your lash extensions is the first step in maintaining their longevity. Use a lash cleanser or a mild, oil-free cleanser to gently clean your lashes daily. Avoid products that contain oil, as they can weaken the adhesive bond holding the extensions in place. Use a clean spoolie or a specifically designed lash cleansing brush to brush through your lashes, ensuring that they are clean and free from any buildup. Cleansing your lashes also prevents bacteria from accumulating, reducing the risk of infections. 2. Retouch appointments. To keep your lash extensions looking fresh and full, it is recommended to schedule regular retouch appointments. These appointments typically occur every 2 to 3 weeks, since your natural lashes shed and regrow in a continuous cycle. During a retouch appointment, the lash technician will remove any outgrown lashes and fill in the gaps with new extensions. Regular retouches ensure that your lash line remains full and voluminous. 3. Avoid excessive moisture. While lash extensions are designed to be water-resistant, excessive moisture can compromise their longevity. Avoid submerging your lashes in water for prolonged periods, such as swimming or taking long showers. If your lashes do get wet, gently pat them dry with a clean, lint-free cloth and use a spoolie to fan them out and restore their shape. Additionally, make sure to avoid excessive exposure to steam and heat sources, as they can weaken the adhesive bond. 4. Avoid oil-based products. Oil-based products, including makeup removers, moisturizers, and eyeliners, can break down the adhesive bond of your lash extensions. Opt for oil-free or water-based alternatives to ensure that your lashes stay securely in place. When applying makeup, be cautious not to get any products directly on your lash line, as this can lead to premature shedding. 5. Be gentle when removing makeup. Essential. Gentle makeup removal is essential for protecting your lashes. Use a mild, oil-free makeup remover and a cotton pad or soft cloth to remove eye makeup. Avoid rubbing or tugging at your lashes, as this can cause them to become loose or fall out. Instead, gently swipe in a downward motion, ensuring that the lashes are not caught or pulled. 6. Brushing your lashes. Using a clean spoolie, gently brush through your lashes daily to keep them separated and neat. Start at the base of the lashes and work your way upwards, using light strokes. This helps to prevent tangling and keeps your lashes looking voluminous. 7. Avoid excessive touch. It's essential to refrain from touching or pulling at your lash extensions, as this can cause damage and premature shedding. Avoid rubbing your eyes or pulling on your lashes, as this can weaken the bond or even cause the extensions to come loose. By following these recommended maintenance tips, you can ensure that your lash extensions remain beautiful, long-lasting, and healthy. Remember to schedule regular retouch appointments, cleanse your lashes daily, and avoid excessive moisture and oil-based products. Being gentle when removing makeup and brushing your lashes, as well as avoiding excessive touch, will help maintain the integrity of your lash extensions. With proper care and maintenance, your lash extensions will continue to enhance your natural beauty for weeks to come.